world changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse, I'm black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops give a damn about a Negro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Get it back to the kids who the hell cares. One less hungry mouth on the welfare. First ship them, don't let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, passing, music blasting, but I just can't quit because...
Sou da favela, tô aqui, sabotagem, tem certos lugares, ligeiro, criminalidade, eu tô de pé, na risco o pescoço, dá desgosto, porque aqui não tem socorro, é impressionante, é tipo Pirituba na Mirante, não sou chinês, às vezes fumei, sou fumante, um câncer da sul, humildade é minha lei, aqui sabotagem não é viagem, que sei, então vai, faz, sei que Jesus é a luz, a humildade é que conduz, pra que o rap reproduz o crime. Se não é crime, eu faço parte também. Cada lugar um lugar, cada lugar uma lei, ok? Só não...
Ain't never some money coming through this motherfucker. You know the bankroll. Yeah. Ain't never money coming through right now, you feel me? I'm laughing at these suck-ass niggas. Go! Blamadouche. Yeah. Everybody skeeto like we bout to shoot stage. Everybody working, everybody getting paid. All these hoes fucking, all these hoes getting slayed. Young trap nigga, soon I'ma get them made. I used to have roaches in my cereal, I couldn't eat. Straight up out that gutter, straight up out that gutter, nigga. Hard of a hustler, that's why I don't trust a nigga. Any motherfucker, I ain't tryna lose count. If I could seal them up, I hit that bitch.
We do this stuff like shit like 4, 5, 6, pick 'em. Down with no rounds left up in the pound when it's sound. Squeeze the lid off, I blow his motherfucking head off. Signal all the other outlaws as soon as shit set off. Yaki Gaddafi, it ain't a cop here to stop me. These streets is black, your mom, weak and sloppy. Put a pamper on your silly ass freestyle grammar. Locked in the slammer while I lay cock back like a hammer. Y'all newlyweds don't win honeymoon in times better. Dummies, I leave no trace found with you face down stuck. Your biggest cats couldn't come close to touch even hitting. Doing my dirt, putting in work on your block. We don't see what's to war, but since we must plus handle our business when these jealous niggas fuck with us. We go to war, but since we must plus handle our business when them jealous niggas fuck with us. We go to war, but since we must plus handle business when them jealous niggas.
It's like, I don't understand, man. These ball players and shit, tricking on these bitches, getting them houses and shit. My bitch don't get nothing but hand-me-down Uggs. You feel me? Yeah, bikini, motherfucker.
My first car was an 84. Now I'm slamming AMG Mercedes though. Using tricks, still paying hoes. She a flip, man, I bet you all the homies know.
Hey, OG, could you tell me how to find some good weed? I need it on me, oh, so bad. That last bag was the
so deep. I can't even seem to feel my feet. Girls, so fine. I can't help it, got to make this one mine.
I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself.
It's me.
I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself.
It's me.
Hey yo, spark up the Phillies and pass the stout. Make it quick, money grip, roll your asses out. In a street brawl, I strike men quicker than lightning. You seen what happened?
Look, I'm just a nigga from the ghetto, but now I'm in the game and I'm ballin' like a mellow. Switch. I'm just a nigga from the ghetto, but now I'm in the game and I'm ballin' like a mellow. Switch. I'm just a nigga from the ghetto, but now I'm in the game and I'm ballin' like a mellow. Switch. I'm just a nigga from the ghetto, but now I'm in the game and I'm ballin' like a mellow. Man, I wish that I could take it all back. Young running through the hood while I bare feet with my feet all black, with my grandma telling me to be in by the street lights. But now I'm thuggin' going hard in this street life. Plus these pussy niggas out here.
Everybody go, hotel, motel, what you gonna do today?
Hey, what you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? And what you gonna...
Yo, what you gonna do today? Make moves while I pay dues. Cruising the lane far left of the lane dudes. Rest when I catch my breath. Feeling like the last one left. Like what you gonna do today? Same thing that I did for the last 2,000 to 3,000 studying the math. A lot less time and a lot more class when they talk that trash. Yeah, and that makes us laugh.
Turn up music. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up on them niggas. I flex up on them hoes. Turn up. Turn up on them niggas. Flex. Hey, hoes. Hey. L-Y-B. L-Y-Go. Them bitches know it's me. I flex up on them hoes. I turn up on them niggas. I flex up on them hoes. I turn up on them niggas. I flex up on them hoes. Bottles and VIP. Before I rock the show. Them niggas know it's me. I flex.
If it ain't banging, it ain't mine. You ain't hitting on nothing, hitting on shit. Bitch, hitting on nothing, hitting on shit. You ain't hitting on nothing, hitting on nothing, hitting on nothing. You ain't hitting on shit. You ain't hitting on nothing, hitting on shit. Hitting on nothing, hitting on shit. You ain't hitting on nothing. Want to see? Bissell, I got a wet, hella wet. My hands are wet, real wet. I can't believe I'm in a state.
So many misconceptions. So many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver. So many misconceptions, so many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver. Scooby-Doo-wah, Scooby-Doo-wee. Like a jazz player, I improvise wisely. Free with the style, I flow like the Nile. But remember, don't mistake the smile. Deep-rooted is my rhyming, like ancient African griots. Precise is my timing. But let me get to the essence of what I'm saying here.
Remember fun?
Yeah, check me out.
Remember fun?
Devil Squad.
I battle ya all, from the charts to ghetto stars. Face triple shakes to guard a war like Mars. Then leave them see smashed on my squad. It's hard, y'all never seen relish, but always seem jealous of my extreme fellas. Rocking the beamer sweaters, the ones that paid with their life. I rock for 40 days and 40 nights.
Fuck them niggas, baby, you won't let me. Got your back to back all in Ferraris. Know you lick you with young Abu Dhabi. Don't you worry, girl, I'm on your body. Tell your nigga about you, see him later. Daddy Zabi got you ballin' glass house hustle later. Girl, I know you lick you with young Abu Dhabi. Don't you worry, girl.
Hold hold tight. This ain't the last I'ma see you. In due time, that's my word, I'ma see you. Frontin' ass rappers down here still an issue. Posing like they hard when we know they all see through. I'ma tell you, Dilla, why they lacking skills, pal. No stage presence, cadence, style. They living off of hooks, skinny jean crooks, pre-K lyrics. What one unreadable? I reminisce when Mob dropped Shook. Shan was down by law. Such a good look. Nas Godson and his return was stillmatic. Roots distortion, the static. You and Slum fantastic. Thought I chopped you out, son. See how you.
Man, I sure don't need them big suckers fucking with me right now, bro. Man, my motherfucking mind right now, man. Fucking with them.
It's all to maintain the soldier-like mentality. If it be a tragedy, white kids come and house me, gon' slam me down and rouse me, just to put on handcuffs and charge me with resistance. When they told me throw my hands up, it's all to maintain the soldier-like mentality. If it be a tragedy, white kids come.
Yeah, you fucking onion head bass motherfucker. Let's go, fucker. Huh? Stupid motherfuckers. Let's rhyme, man. Teach y'all niggas how to rhyme. Yeah, felonious monk. Let's go. Yo, and yo, bitch harmy. The Swiss Army knife in my hand. Know this shit corny, but it can end the life of your fam. Niggas know Sean nice with the hands. Watch me punch up your face, dig in your pockets, leave you right where you stand. Got a dumb bitch that live in Japan. Black belt, suck dick, chop bricks with a hand. Arigato, Sean Price slick like El Gato. 3-piece suit in the booth, ain't shit cute. Might smack off half your smile. Go to court with a suit.